If you want to know how to withdraw Bitcoin to bank account but not sure how, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how you can transfer Bitcoin to your bank. Although banks don't directly support Bitcoin, you can convert it into cash that can be sent to your bank account. To do this, you'll need to sell your Bitcoin through an app or platform with an exchange like Cash App, Coinbase, Robinhood, or Binance. Once your Bitcoin is on one of these platforms, simply tap the sell button and choose to sell it from your local currency. For now, we'll go for US dollar. After selling, the cash amount will be available in your app's balance, and you can transfer it to your bank by selecting the cash out option. For example, if you sold $100 worth of Bitcoin, you could cash out $100 directly to your bank account. You will choose the standard transfer, which is free, but it may take a few days. Or you can choose an instant transfer for a small fee. This process applies similarly across different platforms. And that's it for this video on how you can withdraw Bitcoin to your bank account. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.